This area was already a road na pwede mong likuan na pa ganun. So essentially, alanganin yung pwesto niya. Pero we didn't think much about it kasi hindi naman sila bumababa. Maybe they're confused kung saan sila pupunta. So we were just there staring at the car, tapos biglang may bumabang girl sa passenger side. So I thought, okay, baka bababa lang siya, may kukunin lang saglit, tapos babalik sa car kaya hindi umaalis yung driver. So we were fine kasi nakakadaan pa rin naman yung mga kotse sa gitna namin. But where they parked was not a parking slot. Tapos after a minute, nagulat kami kasi bumaba na rin yung driver. He turned off the engine, locked the car, then left. So litong-lito kami ni Paul kasi hindi namin alam, pwede bang mag-park doon? Kasi kung pwede, sana kanina pa kami nag-park doon, di ba? Since I was driving, bumaba si Paul, tiningnan niya kung nasaan na yung guy, tapos hindi na niya mahanap, as in pumasok sa mall. So naghanap siya ng guard. We wanted to ask kung pwede bang mag-park doon. So we asked 2 security guards kung pwede bang mag-park doon, and